Good communication, the foundation of positive thinking. Good communication in positive thinking refers to the ability to communicate in a way that is clearly effective and positive. It involves using language, tone, and body language that is constructive, respectful, and supportive. Good communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and thoughts effectively and efficiently. It is a fundamental skill that is essential for building relationships, achieving goals, and creating a productive and positive environment. Some key elements of good communication in positive thinking. 1. Active listening. Good communication involves actively listening to others, paying attention to what they say, and showing that you understand their perspective. 2. Clear and concise language. Good communication involves using language that is easy to understand and avoids jargon or technical terms. 3. Respectful tone. Good communication involves using a tone that is respectful and non-judgmental, even when discussing difficult or sensitive topics. 4. Positive body language. Good communication involves using body language that is open and welcoming, such as maintaining eye contact, smiling, and nodding. 5. Constructive feedback. Good communication involves providing constructive feedback that is focused on solutions and positive outcomes. 6. Empathy. Good communication involves being able to understand and share the feelings of others, to be able to understand their needs and perspective. 7. Encouragement. Good communication involves encouraging others, being supportive, and helping them to see the positive aspects of a situation. 8. Honesty. Good communication involves being honest, transparent, and reliable, building trust and respect. 9. Clarity. Good communication involves clearly stating your message and making sure that it is understood by the recipient. 10. Brevity. Good communication involves being concise and to the point, avoiding unnecessary details or tangents. 11. Active listening. Good communication involves actively listening to others, paying attention to what they say, and showing that you understand their perspective. 12. Empathy. Good communication involves being able to understand and share the feelings of others, to be able to understand their needs and perspective. 13. Feedback. Good communication involves providing feedback that is honest, constructive, and focused on solutions. 14. Nonverbal cues. Good communication involves being aware of and using nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, to reinforce your message. 15. Timing. Good communication involves choosing the right time to communicate your message, taking into account the audience and the context. 16. Adaptability. Good communication involves being able to adapt your communication style to different people, situations, and cultures. 17. Confidence. Good communication involves being confident and assertive in expressing yourself. Good communication is a continuous process. It involves a give and take, and it's a skill that can be developed and improved over time. It's essential to all aspects of life, be it personal or professional. Examples of good communication and positive thinking. A manager holds regular team meetings to discuss progress, goals, and any issues that arise. They actively listen to feedback and encourage open communication, fostering a positive and productive team environment. A customer service representative handling a complaint from a customer in a calm and respectful manner actively listens to their concerns and provides a positive and constructive solution. A teacher praises a student for their efforts and encourages them to continue working hard, rather than focusing on their mistakes. A therapist uses empathetic language to understand and validate a patient's feelings, helping them to see a situation from a positive perspective. A coach provides constructive feedback to team members, highlighting their strengths, and offering suggestions for improvement in a positive and supportive manner. A team leader recognizes the hard work of team members and shows appreciation, increasing motivation and promoting a positive work environment. A friend giving honest and supportive advice to another friend, helping them to see a difficult situation in a more positive light. A partner acknowledges the importance of open and honest communication, working together to resolve conflicts, and maintaining a positive and supportive relationship. A public speaker uses humor and storytelling to engage the audience and deliver an important message in a positive and memorable way. A parent uses positive language and encouragement to help a child develop self-esteem and a positive mindset. Please subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this. Press the bell icon. Different types of good communication and positive thinking. Verbal communication. This type of communication involves using words, either spoken or written, to convey a message. Good verbal communication and positive thinking involves using clear and concise language, being respectful and non-judgmental, and actively listening to others. Nonverbal communication. This type of communication involves using body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice to convey a message. Good nonverbal communication and positive thinking involves using open and welcoming body language, maintaining eye contact, and using a tone of voice that is supportive and positive. Written communication. This type of communication involves using written text to convey a message. Good written communication and positive thinking involves using clear and concise language, being respectful and non-judgmental, and providing feedback that is honest and constructive. Interpersonal communication. This type of communication involves interacting with others, either one-on-one or in a group setting. Good interpersonal communication and positive thinking involves building trust and understanding, promoting collaboration and teamwork, and maintaining a positive and productive mindset. Public communication. This type of communication involves addressing a larger audience, such as in speeches, presentations, or online posts. Good public communication and positive thinking involves being confident and assertive, engaging the audience, and delivering a message in a positive and memorable way. Empathic communication. This type of communication involves being able to understand and share the feelings of others, to be able to understand their needs and perspective. Good empathic communication and positive thinking involves being able to understand and validate the emotions of others, helping to create a positive and supportive environment. Active listening. This type of communication involves actively listening to what the other person is saying, paying attention to their words, tone of voice, body language, and nonverbal cues. Good active listening and positive thinking involves being attentive and respectful, which helps to build trust and understanding. Assertive communication. This type of communication involves being able to express your needs, wants and opinions in a direct and honest way while being respectful of the rights of others. Good assertive communication and positive thinking involves being confident and respectful, promoting mutual respect and understanding in relationships and interactions. Some advantages of good communication and positive thinking: improved relationships. Good communication and positive thinking helps to build trust and understanding between people, promoting better relationships and interactions. Increased productivity. Good communication and positive thinking promotes collaboration and teamwork, leading to increased productivity and better results. Resolve conflicts. Good communication and positive thinking helps to resolve conflicts in a constructive and positive manner. Positive work environment. Good communication and positive thinking helps to create a positive and productive work environment, which can increase employee morale and job satisfaction. Better decision making. Good communication and positive thinking facilitates the exchange of ideas and information, leading to better decision making. Empowered individuals. Good communication and positive thinking helps individuals to feel heard, understood, and respected, which in turn empowers them to express themselves and make positive changes in their lives. Increased creativity. Good communication and positive thinking promotes an open exchange of ideas, leading to increased creativity and innovation. Mental well-being. Good communication and positive thinking can help to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a positive mindset and overall mental well-being. Better problem solving. Good communication and positive thinking helps to identify problems and find solutions in a timely and effective manner. Improved reputation. Good communication and positive thinking helps to improve an individual's or organization's reputation, leading to better relationships and more opportunities. In conclusion, good communication and positive thinking are closely connected. Positive thinking can lead to better communication, as a positive attitude and mindset can help to build trust, inspire confidence, and foster an environment of mutual understanding. Good communication skills, in turn, can help to promote positive thinking by allowing individuals to effectively express themselves and connect with others in a meaningful way. Together, good communication and positive thinking can help to improve relationships, increase productivity, and create a more positive and fulfilling life. Furthermore, good communication can help to reduce stress and negative emotions, as it allows individuals to clearly express their thoughts and feelings and to understand the perspectives of others. When people feel heard and understood, they are more likely to feel a sense of validation and support. Additionally, good communication can help to build stronger relationships, as it allows individuals to connect on a deeper level and to collaborate effectively towards common goals. In the workplace, good communication can lead to increased productivity and a more positive work environment. On the other hand, positive thinking can also help to improve communication. When people have a positive outlook, they are more likely to approach interactions with others in a constructive and open-minded way. They are also more likely to approach challenges with a sense of confidence and resilience, which can help them to navigate difficult conversations and to find solutions to problems. In summary, good communication and positive thinking are mutually reinforcing, and both are essential for achieving personal and professional success. By developing both skills, individuals can create more positive and fulfilling relationships, build stronger teams, and lead more productive and meaningful lives.